Once you've set up your HSE Webex account, you will receive an email welcoming you to Webex. This email contains a link to your Cisco Webex personal room. I'm going to copy this link and bring it to Google Chrome. Paste the link into the search bar. I now need to sign in by clicking on the right top-hand corner. Enter your email address. Enter your Cisco Webex password. This brings you to your personal room. To access Webex Training, go to the left-hand bottom corner and click Webex Training. On the left-hand side, there are a list of options, including a help section where you can find out more about using Webex Training. I'm going to schedule a training session. To do this, you click on Schedule Training, enter the topic of your training. You can use the pre-generated password, or you can set your own password. And I'm going to send a copy of the attendee invitation to my own email address. I'm going to leave the audio conference session settings alone, and I'm going to schedule the date and time that I want my session to take place. So September the 16th at 11 a.m. You can then choose if it's a single session class, a recurring single session class, a multiple session course, or if there will be irregular sessions as part of a course. You can put in the estimated duration. I'm going to enter 2 hours as the estimated duration for our workshop. There is a section where you can ask people to register. You can invite attendees and you can invite a colleague to be a presenter. I leave my session options alone. I can change my greeting message. Webex Training allows breakout sessions. This can also be done when the session is in real time, so I won't be pre-assigning during the scheduling of it. I can add in session information, like my agenda and a description of what the training will involve. I can also add course material that can be downloaded by participants before the session starts. So if there are different documents you want them to read or see beforehand, this is a handy function. When I've done all of this, I do a quick check back over that I have the time, duration, the details correct, and then I click Schedule. You will then receive an email containing the link that you can now send to participants who sign up to attend. Example of one of these emails is here. So it outlines the topic, who's hosting, the date, time, and how to start the session.